hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this foundation. This is like my favorite foundation now. 3:44. See this? And the time starts now. We are reviewing the NARS. What is it called? NARS. Oh my god, I need my phone. We are reviewing the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It's a new foundation, and so I bought it. This foundation, it comes in 33 different shades. I've already used this foundation. I'm in love with this foundation. That is why I am doing this video. I wanted to share the beautiful finish of this foundation with you guys, so you guys can go out and test it out for yourselves. I want to show you what it looks like, how I apply it, how you can apply it. All of that will follow. Let's get started with the video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and till next time, bye. Oh, not till next time, we'll check it later. Yeah. Again, it comes in 33 shades, and I use the shade Stromboli for those of you who are wondering. And the claims for this foundation. This foundation stays turned on by the power of radiance. This foundation, it is not a glowy foundation, nor is it a matte finish like the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. No, this foundation looks like your skin, but better. I don't know how to explain it. It makes your skin look beautiful. It looks and it has a finish like if it were your skin, but without any imperfections, to be honest. No glowy finish, no super matte finish, just an overall natural finish. Normally what I'm assuming your skin should look like, without it being too oily or without being too dry. Just perfect skin, the in-between. All right, it claims to be lightweight, and I can attest to that. It is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have any foundation on. You know that feeling when you apply foundation and you know and you have the sensation of having too much cake on your face? You don't get that with this foundation. Very breathable. It is fade resistant. I guess it is because I've used it several times and it stays where I apply it. It doesn't move or budge, so yeah, it stays resistant. It is infused with a raspberry, apple, and watermelon extracts to help smooth and improve the look of your skin instantly and over time for full powered radiance. It wears longer, stays stronger, and looks better with each hour. I think it looks good. I think it looks good now. I know it looks good when at the end of the day, when I remove my makeup. It claims to be a medium to full coverage. It says it's supposed to be for normal, combination, and oily skin types. I have dry skin around my mouth area, so when I use foundations, it's a hassle to find a perfect foundation. And I think that is the main reason why I am in love with this foundation. Usually foundations, since I do have dry skin around my mouth area, when I apply it, they look very dry around my mouth area, like very patchy. This foundation does not do that. I do recommend that you set this foundation. You have to set it because it does have that wet finish. It's not like the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless where you apply and you immediately have to buff out. This gives you time to play and move around the foundation. Formula effects. It's transfer resistant, sweat resistant, fade resistant, non-drying. Yes, non-drying. I don't feel like my face is like dry. It's paraben free, alcohol free, oil free, fragrance free, which I love. Anything that I apply on my face, it has to be fragrance free, otherwise it irritates my skin. And dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic. I don't know what that means, but okay. In the video, I'm just showing you my application process. I tend to apply my foundation with my fingers immediately after I apply my moisturizer and any primer if I use primer for that day.
I can't believe I haven't mentioned this already, but this foundation is a 16-hour wear foundation and it does not oxidize. The color stays true all day. Not only that, but it perfectly matches skin tone. Why? Well, I'm gonna read it off of the website. It has a unique combination of translucent base with micronized amino acid coated pigments and mineral tone balancing powders that mimic skin's tone. So it's fusing with skin for the closest match. And I love it. I love it. I love it.
So man, look how pretty it looks around my mouth. Look at this. Look at this. Right here on the crosses. Here. I'm gonna check in later, most likely late at night, because I'm gonna go out into a family party, a friend's party, and yeah, I'll be back home late. So I'll check in later. It'll be a review of just a few hours, but who wears foundation for 16 hours? I don't. Do you? All right, I'm gonna do this video really quickly. It is 1:54. I'm checking in. I just got home from the party and this is what my foundation looks like right here. I love this foundation. You should go get it. Look at this beautiful, oh, please excuse my makeup. I mean, I was out partying. It's hot. I sweat. I touch my face here and there. I do have a lot of fallout from the mascara, so if you see any here, any black little spots, it's the mascara. Other than that, my foundation is flawless. It's beautiful, beautiful. It still looks like my skin. Look, I hope you guys like these type of demos, reviews, because I love them. It's realistic, it's real, it's showing you, giving you proof that I love the makeup that I review and demo on my channel. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Do it right now and hit that notification little bell so that you can get a notification for every time I upload a video. Leave me any comments down below, XX any negativity, because I will delete it. And yeah, all right, till next time guys, thank you so much for watching.
Bye guys.
Thank you, mi amor.
So alive.